Hi, this is Bloomfield Griller. Tonight it's 34 degrees in Michigan and it's nasty weather outside, but still we are going to grill. And what we've got today are two beautiful Porterhouse steaks. Those are large New York strip steaks and the filet mignon and the bone in. It's great meat. We put some seasoning on there, Jimmy P's steak seasoning, which we bought in Florida last year, and we are going to grill these two Porterhouse steaks and combine it with some salad and baked potatoes. This is going to be a great dinner. We're going to prepare these for the grill. After seasoning, we put the two Porterhouse steaks in Ziploc bags and we pushed all the excess air out, and now we're going to put them in a Sous Vide precision cooker. We'll show you how to do that. We are going to cook the steaks to prepare them for the grill at 131.5 degrees in the Anova precision cooker, which is in a tank and a water bath. So this water bath is 131.5 degrees, and now we're going to hang the steaks in this tank. Part of my reach. So now the steaks are in their bags in this water bath. I pushed all the excess air out, and the situation we've got now is that the meat is not in contact with the water. The water is temperature controlled, 131.5 degrees, and we're going to leave it for a couple of hours in the tank. Then we'll remove it, cool the steaks down a little bit, and then we'll grill them on the charcoal grill. But it is cold here in Michigan. It's probably 32 degrees and windy, so it is very cold. There's still snow and ice on the ground. I loaded the Kamado with charcoal. I lit it, and we'll let it slowly get to temperature until it reaches 450 degrees. This is our Kamado, a ceramic grill. Ours is a grill dome, and it's a great machine to cook these steaks. So we'll let this Kamado get to temperature, and then we'll grill the steaks. So we grilled the two steaks 2.5 minutes one side and flipped them, and this is what they're looking like. So now we just grill the bottom for another 2 minutes, and then the steaks are going to be ready. Internal temperature was 115 degrees when we put them on the grill, so they won't overcook, and this is going to be beautiful. Check this. Oh, beautiful.
Definitely. Looking good.
Let's have dinner. The beautiful steak, carrots, baked potatoes, and broccolis, and of course, a beer. Awesome dinner. Thanks for watching. This is Bloomfield Griller.